Jacket was 5th, Ninja Quad was 12th, and JPFPV was 13th overall. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Get a yeah, buddy, as we get all 4 up and through that whole shot and on their way. Look at this, 4 wide, right in front of our officials at the far end. I was watching Ninja Quad up in the lead. I think he's dropped down into 2nd, but all 4 pilots within reaching distance and stabbing distance here on this opening lap. Look at this, 4 going around and up our tower over to our dive gate. It is going to be Jake T just ahead of Ninja Quad in the 1-2. As they go into the stitch it up section. The rest of the field, JPFPV and the Ginger Kid right behind them. The race isn't won on lap number 1. I can't believe we get to keep doing this. Another lap to go. Ginger Kid out, now back up. Again, a ringer dinger for Jake T, which is great news. Look at this. Ninja Quad, your leader after 1 with a 55.9 onto the final lap, lap number 2. Ginger Kid and JPFPV in a battle for the 2-3 right behind our leader. 4 seconds back up for leader, but they're right together. And we lost one. Jake T is our first one to fall victim here to the course in heat number 3. And now we're down to 2, but we're turtle moding. We're trying to recover our crafts remotely. With JPFPV, your leader, but oh no, the Ginger Kid is right with him. Ginger Kid just took the lead at the dive gate. Now JPFPV with a little more authority through the Stitch It Up section. He's just ahead of the Ginger Kid. They're 1st and 2nd regardless, but this could be a tight finish. We're going to wait through the carousel. Now Ginger Kid just ahead of JPFPV. No, JPFPV just ahead of Ginger Kid. Ginger Kid got a little loosey-goosey, a little lost. But as did JPFPV. And JPFPV going to lead Ginger Kid to her gate. It'll be JPFPV just ahead of Ginger Kid. What a great finish. What a great finish. It's all good. 2nd is fine at this point of the competition because you guys are moving up in the winner's bracket to race number 8. So, JPFPV and the Ginger, you're going to race number 8. No channel changes. And that will remain Ninja Quad and Jake T. You're going to race number 7. No channel changes. That was heat number 3 in the books.